Top 10 effortless methods to earn money using AI tools. The use of artificial intelligence (AI) is fast changing the way we work and live. AI has become a crucial tool in many businesses, from chatbots and virtual assistants to data analysis and machine learning. But did you realize that AI can also be a lucrative source of revenue? There are many simple methods to make money utilizing AI tools, whether you want to supplement your income or establish a new career. In this article, we have discussed the top 10 effortless methods that will help you earn money using AI tools. These methods to earn money using AI tools will help you earn a good income. 1. Selling digital courses teaching AI. Selling online courses using AI tools to train AI is a terrific method to make money. There are various steps you must take if you want to start offering AI courses online. To begin, select a digital course platform that is simple to use and offers a solid collection of features. After deciding on a digital course platform, you must define your specialization and target audience. This will assist you in developing a targeted and valuable course that matches the demands of your target audience. These effortless methods to earn money using AI tools can help. 2. Create and sell logos. Everyone needs an eye-catching logo, whether they operate a business or have a personal brand. You may capitalize on this demand by using AI to create and sell logos. To make money designing logos for businesses, you need to sign up for marketplaces like Fiverr or 48 Hours Logo and offer to design logos. 3. Write sales copy for businesses. Every business in the world requires consumers to thrive and profit. The most crucial talent for making this happen is copywriting, the art of enticing visitors to become customers. Professional copywriters can earn thousands of dollars for every project, and every company requires their services. 4. Sell AI-generated art. PromptBase enables you to profit from AI-generated art. It is a DALL-E, GTP3, Stable Diffusion, and Midjourney marketplace. But what exactly is a prompt? A prompt is a series of instructions provided to an AI for it to generate visuals. Give the program a simple prompt, such as a color or an object, and it will generate art based on your input. The more specific your prompt, the better your art will be. 5. Start freelance writing. Freelance writing is one of the top online side hustles. This is something you can accomplish from any location on the planet. You can earn anywhere from $20 to hundreds of dollars for every piece of content. Writing articles as a freelance writer is a terrific way to generate money online, and you can speed up the process with the help of AI. 6. Create YouTube videos. YouTube is the world's second most viewed website, trailing only Google. Why not make money online with it? You can generate videos using AI techniques without displaying your face or using pricey video equipment. YouTube is the ideal platform for video marketing and audience growth. You can use this platform to earn money from advertisements or to sell things. If you don't have a product or service to promote, you can offer your audience high-paying affiliate products. 7. Create ads for other businesses using AI. Many firms are trying to create digital advertisements. AI has made this easier than ever before, yet many people still don't know how to use it. AdCreative.ai is a platform that uses artificial intelligence to make commercials and social creatives. This AI tool can be used to produce adverts and social campaigns for businesses to make money online. 8. Create business name ideas. Create business name ideas for other firms using a free service like ChatGPT. You can submit your ideas to Namingforce and win money if you win contests. Namingforce is a platform where users can establish contests to generate business name ideas. 9. Become an SEO consultant. Do you want to assist content creators in ranking higher in search results? You can earn money by learning search engine optimization, SEO, and assisting bloggers with keyword research and on-page SEO. Even while having some experience is advantageous when becoming an SEO consultant, AI can handle the majority of the task. 10. Create video scripts. Content developers are constantly on the lookout for new ideas and video scripts. If you want to assist publishers launch better content, this is the method to make money for you. This process is made more frictionless by the use of AI tools. To build video scripts, you can utilize ChatGPT, a free tool, or more complex AI writers like Jasper.ai.